Okay, welcome everyone. I just want to share some things that might be helpful to parents that are starting to homeschool. And I get a lot of questions about what are some of the free activities? What can I get my child involved in? Well, here's one that I think a lot of parents would like, and it's good for both boys and girls. Home Depot has children's little builder workshops, and they're held the first Saturday of every month. So if you're just now hearing about this information, you already missed the first Saturday of August. But the good news is the first Saturday in September is coming up, and so you can jump on board and get this going. So I'll provide the links to how to register your child for these workshops. Since 2020, before 2020, you could just roll up on the first Saturday, go to your local Home Depot and just walk up, and then the tents would be set up outside, and you could just walk up and your children could just start, they'd get a free kit and they could just start building, and everything was fine. But after 2020, things shut down. They had the virtual workshops, but they just opened up where you can do these in-person workshops again. But now they want you to register. So that's a different little step. You can still do it if you want to go in person. And if you go in person, here's the benefit. You'll get the paint, they'll provide the wood glue, all the supplies will be free. And you do get the actual little kit with the little parts. That is free too. So there's a couple of options here. One is you can actually, if you don't want to go in person and you just want to do it virtually, you can actually have the kit mailed to you and they send it to you. And so you can do the kit at home, but you won't get the wood glue, the paint, or anything like that, or the tools like the screwdrivers and stuff. So you would have to, if you want to really build these projects, you would have to supply all those things at home. But like I said, you would get the basic kit for free. So that's still nice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide all the links for that in the description box below. But I want to show you some of the things that you get. So my son, he's 17 now, but I used to take him to these workshops. And now I have a daughter that's 5. And so I'm going to start sending her. We're going to go next month in September, the first Saturday. But the children receive a certificate. And again, if you get the kit at home, you will get the certificate in the mail. So you get a certificate of a completion, and this one is dated 2013, November 2nd, 2013, and my son completed a tabletop ship, okay? And then also, you'll get in the kit that you get at home, if you don't want to go in person, is your child will receive an apron. So can you see this? So this is the apron you get, and they write your name on it. So when you go in person, they write your name on it. And then my son has 12 pins here. So isn't that cute? And this is like the little tabletop when this is the pin he got when he received the tabletop ship. So again, with the kit, you will get the certificate, the apron, and the pin for the craft that you'll be receiving. The child will be completing that day. So I just want to share this information with you guys. And I really think the children will enjoy the process of building their own craft, and it will teach them how to create and build something out of raw materials, and it'll just help their imaginations soar. So I'll see you next video, and happy homeschooling.